Hi, this is Rajesh. Today we are going to do progressions, exercise 6.2 in the 10th problem. Two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000th term? See here, two progressions are there it seems. The difference, the common difference between those two progressions is same at that time. The difference between their 100th term is 100. Then what is the difference between their 1000 terms? We need to find. See here, first we need to assume two arithmetic progressions. Why we have to consider two arithmetic progressions? Two APs have the same common difference. Two APs are here. How many APs are here? Two APs. So we need to consider two arithmetic progressions. See here, let a comma a plus d comma a plus 2d comma a plus 3d and so on a plus n minus 1 into d is one arithmetic progression and next arithmetic progression is b comma b plus d comma b plus 2d comma b plus 3d and so on and nth term b plus n minus 1 into d. b plus n minus 1 into d. See here, two APs have the same common difference. So d is here, common difference d. What is the common difference in these two arithmetic progressions? That is d. So first arithmetic progression is a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d and so on. Nth term a plus n minus 1 into d. Next arithmetic progression is b comma b plus d comma b plus 2d and so on. b plus n minus 1 into d is another arithmetic progression. So, but in this problem, the difference between their 100th term is 100 they have given. So here the difference between their 100th term, their 100th is equal to 100 they have given in the problem. So nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d in the first arithmetic progression. In the second arithmetic progression, nth term is b plus n minus 1 into d. So the difference between their 100th term is equal to 100 they have given. So here 100th term of this arithmetic progression will be a100 minus next 100th term of this arithmetic progression will be b100 is equal to 100. Is it clear or not? So a100 minus b100 is equal to 100 means 100th term of first arithmetic progression minus 100th term of second arithmetic progression is equal to 100 according to the problem. Now a100th term we can write this one as a plus 99d minus this can be written as b plus 99d is equal to 100. Now this can be written as a plus 99d minus b minus 99d is equal to 100. So plus 99d minus 99d gets cancelled. So we got here a minus b is equal to 100. Is it clear or not? So next in the problem they ask us what is the difference between their 1000th term. See here we need to find difference between their 1000th term. So it can be written as a 1000 minus b 1000 value we need to find. Am I correct or not? So A 1000 minus B 1000 is equal to A plus 999D minus B plus 999D. So this can be written as A plus 999D minus B minus 999D, isn't it? So plus 999D minus 999D gets cancelled. So we got here A minus B. A minus B. So what is the value of A minus B? In the previous part, A minus B is equal 100 we got. So here also A minus B is nothing but 100 only.